In the emerging quantum era, your frequency of energy is the most influential power you have. You create not by networking, yay, but with your vibe, your vibrational frequency influences so that you're happy and your neighbors are happy and your friends are happy and your friends of your friends are happy because you created that with your frequency of energy. The most powerful thing you can do to increase your influence right now, be yourself. Unapologetically, uncompromisingly. Do not settle for less than. And if you don't know who you are or what your dreams are, if you've forgotten them, and sometimes we do, go back and find a picture of yourself at 10, 11, 12. That beautiful developmental cycle that we go through, where we have one foot still rooted in the imaginary world and one foot rooted into the forward moving possibility of who we're going to be world. And you still have access to your true magic. Go back and find those dreams. Go back and reconnect with what you love to do, those things you love to do so much that when you engage in those things, you lose track of time. And it doesn't necessarily have to be your job, by the way. You've got to find yourself and live aligned with that self, that precious, irreplaceable, vital part of the cosmic plan that is you, to increase your influence. And because you all probably don't know this, but I am madly in love with Eleanor Roosevelt. I really, 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 really wish she was alive today, and I wish she was my grandmother. So, this is a quotation from Eleanor Roosevelt. Remember always that you have not only the right to be an individual, but, and I believe this is true myself, an obligation to be one. Because here's the thing, when you live aligned with your authentic self, you minimize the pain you experience in your life. You access greater states of creativity and possibility. You have more to give and share with the world. You have a higher frequency of energy, and frequency of energy that is inclusive, expansive, equitable, and based in abundance, not lack. And when you create from that space and you hold that frequency of energy and you're influencing the world with that frequency of energy, you're adding to the critical mass, the critical mass of energy necessary for us to shift this world from the materialistic era, an era that's rooted in material value, to the quantum era, where we begin to see that each and every incarnated human being on this planet is valuable, inherently valuable, because they exist. And because they're valuable, we all do what we need to do to make sure that we are all okay.